If you've ever forgotten your WordPress login details and you're using Bluehost, this tutorial is going to help you out fast. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to find your WordPress username and password in Bluehost and how to get back into your site without wasting time. This is a simple method, especially if you can still access your Bluehost account but can't remember your WordPress credentials. If this video helps, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps the tools for managing your installed sites. Go ahead and click websites, then find the site you want to access. Next, click manage site. This opens the controls for that specific WordPress website. From here, look for the WordPress Admin option and click it. In most cases, Bluehost will take you directly into your WordPress dashboard without asking for the WordPress password again. That's one of the easiest ways to get back into your site if you're locked out. Once WordPress opens, you can find your username by going to Users, then Profile. On the profile page, your username will be displayed under the user information. If you need to confirm which account you're using, this is the place to check. Now, if your goal is to change your password, scroll down a little bit on the profile page until you see the password section. There, you'll find the option to set a new password. Click that, enter your new password, and make sure it's strong and secure. After that, save the changes so the new password is applied to your account. And that's it. You've now learned how to find your WordPress username through Bluehost and how to set a new WordPress password if needed. This is a very helpful trick for website owners, especially if you manage multiple sites or haven't logged in for a while. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.